Let me tell you about a story of Ezekiel. He was a prophet, a man chosen by God, living during one of Israel's darkest times. Far from home, surrounded by people who had lost all hope, Ezekiel had every reason to give up. But God had a message, and he was going to deliver it through a vision Ezekiel would never forget. One day, the hand of the Lord came upon Ezekiel and carried him in the spirit to a strange place. A valley, wide and empty, but as he looked closer and the ground was covered with bones, dry, brittle, lifeless bones scattered everywhere. Then God spoke, "Son of man, can these bones live?" Ezekiel didn't pretend to know. He answered with humility, "O Lord God, only you know." And that's when God gave him an unusual command. Prophesy to these bones. Speak to the dead, to what's already gone. Still, Ezekiel obeyed. And as he spoke, something powerful happened. Bones began to rattle. They connected, bone to bone, piece by piece. Tendons grew, flesh appeared, skin covered them. But they were still lying there. No breath, no life. So God said, "Now prophesy to the breath." And Ezekiel did. He called on the four winds just as God commanded, and the breath of life entered them. Suddenly, the lifeless became the living, the valley filled with a mighty army, standing tall and alive. Then God revealed the meaning. "These bones are the people of Israel. They say, 'Our hope is gone.' But I will open their graves. I will bring them back. I will put my spirit in them, and they will live." This wasn't just about dry bones. It was about hope. It was about revival. It was about a God who can bring life where we see only death. So if you've ever felt like you were too broken, too far gone, too dry and empty inside, remember Ezekiel's vision. Because the same God who breathed life into that valley is the same God who can breathe life into you. You can read this powerful story in the Bible in Ezekiel chapter 37, verses 1 to 14.